Think math.
Slide a shape across to the right. Its position changed, but the shape itself did not. Why is that? A slide moves every point the same direction and the same distance. No single point travels further than the rest. Look at the distance between any 2 points. Both move by the same amount, so the gap between them is unchanged. That is why side lengths and angles stay put. Both are decided by the distances between points. It is like drawing on paper and then moving the paper. The drawing is untouched, only its position moved. A slide does not change a shape. It moves it exactly as it was. A sip of math every day here at Think Math.